Hi there, my name is Tom Belton and I'm a cloud accounting specialist here at PJCO Accountants. Welcome to this video on reports in QuickBooks Online. So to get to reports, it's nice and easy. You just go to the reports tab on the left hand side here. And when you get here, there are a whole load of reports that QuickBooks offer. And obviously not all of them are going to be particularly of use to you, but QuickBooks favorites a few up the top here for you automatically. And then if you find a report that you're finding really helpful, you can then come in to the rest of the reports, click on this star logo, and it's going to send it into your favorite section at the top here too. So I'll just start with some basic reports. So the profit and loss report will be a key one. And this is going to show you all of your expenses versus your income, and it'll break your expenses down into their individual categories too. So this area up here is very customizable with reports. So you can change this to suit the period that you want to see. So if I look at it for the last financial quarter and run the report, it's going to bring in all of my income and expenses, and it's going to show me the breakdown of expenses as well by the categories. So there are a few customizable options in here too. So you can run filters to say that you only want to see income or expenses from specific accounts, or you can look at it by customer suppliers. Anything you do in this customized tab is just going to be for your view only really. So you can't really worry about breaking anything from in here. If I then head back to reports, we can then look at the balance sheet as well. So the balance sheet is going to show you the assets and liabilities of your company at any point in time, really. So in here, we can see we've got assets in terms of our computer equipment and our bank accounts. We've got no money owed to us in trade debtors. And then we've got liabilities in the form of, we've got VAT due, and we've also got the director's current account balance. So it'll then take profit from the year, from the profit and loss report, and put it in there. And we've also got retained earnings from previous profit and loss. So if I come back to reports, another good report if you're sending out invoices is the accounts receivable summary. And this will show you any open invoices at the date of the report. And it'll be really good for monitoring if your customer has paid or if they haven't, or if they've got small balances still due on open invoices. But once you're in this reports section, like I was saying, it's really customizable. So if you find something that you like but think you could really do with it being a bit more custom to your company, then that's absolutely fine. You can if I take a look at this profit and loss detail report, and again, if I run it for the last financial quarter, this is going to show me a much more detailed breakdown of my income versus my expenses for the period. And it's going to show each individual transaction within these categories that we've got. So if I like this report, I could customize it and say I wanted to filter it just to show the one supplier for Asda. So if I run the report then, it will then just give me all of my transactions to Asda at the year, and you can save the customization. Just save it with a name that you're going to remember, and I'll save it there. So once I've saved the report, I can then come back to the report list, and we've got the custom reports tab. So you'll be able to see any custom report saved in here. When you go to edit the report, you can share it with specific people too. So you can either share it with only your firm or all of your users on QuickBooks. So that's the reports tab on QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, everyone.